Hello everyone. We are going to be installing this neutral balanced flywheel on my 383 L21. We want to go through the threads here and we want to make sure they are fully cleaned and there is no remnants of thread sealer, etc. They must be perfectly clean so that the bolts go in and torque correctly. So this is what I am doing. All right. It looked pretty clean. We're also gonna have to lube up this transmission piece here. Need to inspect it and clean it. We may have to replace it. This bearing was only owned for about 2,000 miles or less, so I think we're fine keeping it and using it again. Gonna need to inspect it though.